Through its judgments, the Supreme Court has enhanced the rights of citizens by diluting the standards of local standi and by recognizing a new set of rights under Article 21 of the Constitution, such as the right to a speedy trial. On the administrative side, the Supreme Court has been identifying and eliminating as many barriers to justice, unequal access to legal resources, unfamiliarity of the English language, issues of physical accessibility of courts in order to create procedural fairness. The e-courts project of the Supreme Court of India attempts to enhance accessibility and transparency of the justice delivery system. At the heart of these initiatives is a desire to transform the judicial system into a technology-enabled, efficient, accessible, and environmental-friendly institution. Let me briefly summarize the achievements of the court in simplifying its process. E-filing of cases. The front desk experience of approaching courts has changed completely. As opposed to lawyers lugging trolley carts of papers, we now have the facility of filing cases at the click of a button. An upgraded version of the Supreme Court's e-filing platform was launched in May 2023. It offers a host of improved features that have made 24/7 filing of cases simpler, faster, and convenient. Nearly 128,000 e-filings have been done so far, with a consistent rise in the share of e-filings compared to physical filings. E-filings are available in 25 states. They have recorded over 29 lakh cases which have been e-filed. With the immense support of the bar and the bench, we were able to swiftly shift to virtual hearings during COVID-19. Even after the pandemic, hybrid hearings continue to be a feature of our courts. That is, any Indian lawyer sitting in any part of the country or the world can argue before this court through video conferencing. This has democratized access to the Supreme Court. It has opened the space for those who are unable to approach the Supreme Court due to physical distance or want of resources. Even yesterday, one of my colleagues joined the bench through video conferencing for a special hearing on a Saturday. Till now, we have dealt with over 5 lakh cases through hybrid hearings. The live proceedings of the Supreme Court Constitutional Bench hearings are popular and speak to the genuine curiosity that people have towards our courts and procedures. Focus on scanning and digitization. The Supreme Court of India today operates in a near complete paperless mode, with almost all benches using digitized paper books. Judges are provided with scanned, bookmarked, and digitally signed case records, which they access, read, annotate, and preserve for their reference at their residences and in courtrooms. More than 13 lakh legacy and live case records, with approximately 10 crore pages, have been digitized. Futuristic courts. The Supreme Court has enabled futuristic court technology in 3 courtrooms, and soon other courtrooms shall be equipped with such technology. This technology facilitates paperless proceedings, a comprehensive digital library for the bench and the advocates, state-of-the-art video conferencing, large video walls, smart monitors, and document visualizers, all of which redefine the courtroom experience. Office automation. Adoption of e-office has enabled the officers of the Supreme Court Registry to perform their routine works in a paperless mode. 36 branches of the Supreme Court's registry have been onboarded on e-office, and more than 4,000 office files have been processed online so far. Suswagatam. Launch of the Suswagatam portal has enabled visitors to generate entry passes online in a paperless mode. A total of 123,000 entry passes have been generated so far using Suswagatam. We are also transcribing oral arguments in matters before constitution benches, which can be accessed on the Supreme Court website. The Supreme Court has entered into an MOU with IIT Madras to explore areas that can be completely automated and to leverage technology and artificial intelligence for enhancing process efficiency. As we speak today, a team of generative AI researchers at a premier management institute in Mumbai has built an end-to-end demo of an actual open-source Gen AI model trained in public domain motor accident cases. It is trained to automatically extract parameters from petitions, documents and files, and give a recommended compensation figure. Together, e-filing, digitization, paperless courts, and e-office constitute the golden quadrangle of transformation within whose enabling perimeter the Supreme Court of India is set to uplift the experience of everyone who is either a part of the judicial system or who comes into contact with it. But what is the future? The Supreme Court is soon going to migrate its digital data to a safe, secure, and sovereign cloud-based infrastructure. This would be a shot in the arm for the IT setup of the court. Cloud storage would ensure privacy, integrity, high availability, and secure accessibility of the Supreme Court's domain data. We are also on the verge of opening a war room equipped with technology that would enable the Supreme Court to monitor judicial data of the entire country in real time by using the National Judicial Data Grid and iJuris, both of which were information sharing platforms. For the district judiciary, iJuris has been launched by the Supreme Court to monitor statistics of vacancies and infrastructure relating to the district judiciary. Facilitating free accessibility of judgments for citizens and litigants has always been a priority of the e-courts project. As of today, 36,209 judgments are uploaded online on the eSCR portal in English, out of which about 36,000 judgments have been translated into Hindi, and around 11,000 judgments have been translated to other Indian languages with the help of AI-assisted machine learning. The Virtual Courts initiative has been a game changer in courtroom access and online dispute resolution. Implemented in 20 states, the initiative has received 4.37 crore challans, leading to a total collection of 502 crores of rupees in fines. Interestingly, according to the Electronic Transaction Analyzer of the Government of India, in 2018, e-courts had surpassed even the Indian Railways in terms of total electronic transactions. All 713 district courts' websites have been migrated to the S3VAS framework of the National Informatics Center, which offers a user-friendly interface, greater customization, and compliance with the guidelines for Indian government websites, thereby ensuring better accessibility for differently abled users. On the National Judicial Data Grid, a repository of nationwide judicial data, information on 3,256 countrywide courts, the High Courts, and the Supreme Court of India is now a click away. Just as we make our courts tech-savvy, we must also realize that India is going through a period of social and demographic transformation. Anyone who visits India will notice a striking feature of the changing demographics of the nation. Now, women can be seen in important positions across India, whether it be in the operation theaters,